Good morning, friend. Last lecture we have discussed about the mode of group data. So in mode of group data, we have discussed already the formula, that is Z is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 divided by twice F1 minus F0 minus F2 into height H. So today we want to discuss related with the unknown frequency that is given in question, that we have to find out. Already we have find out the mean. Already we have find out unknown frequency in mean. Same way we have to find out unknown frequency in mode also. So again same formula we have to use, that is given Z is equal to L plus, but compulsory we must know what is L, what is F1, what is F0 and F2 and what is height. In when unknown frequency questions are there, on that time what happen, media mode, that is Z is given. Always remember mode, that is Z is given in question, then we can find out unknown frequency. Both sum, if you will see that sum 2011 in CBSE board, here 2017 in CBSE board. So both questions are board sum. So we have to discuss related with it. So first of all, what I have to find out first, that is here 120, 130, 130, 140, 140, 150, 150, 160, 160, 170, 170, 180. It means if you will see that height, what is height at here end? First of we have to first step is that Z is given. Z is equal to 154 is given. So we know that maximum frequency, actually to find out the modal class maximum frequency, but here mode is given 154. So where 154 is in between class, in which class 154 is there? So if you will see 150 to 160, so that is our modal class. From mode, from the given mode, we have to find out the modal class. So mode is given as a Z154. Mode Z is given 154. Now, if you will see the formula, L, first of all we have to find out L. So where is L? In modal class, lower limit, that is L. L is equal to 150. That we have to write. Now F1, F0 and F2. Where we have to put F1, F0 and F2? Always remember, here we have to write F1, here it is F0 and here it is F2. Always remember that. What you have to remember? You have to remember that where is the modal class? When where is a modal class? Where is the modal class? 150 and 160. So you can take F as a F1, preceding and succeeding. So preceding frequency, that is F0. Preceding means above and succeeding means after all. So succeeding is F2, that is 8. So I think now everything we have get. Now what now we have to do? We have to put value. That is Z is equal to, so we can put value Z is equal to everything we have now, and height H. Okay, we have to write height H. That is difference is 10. Difference is 10. All this value we have to put at here. Z is equal to 150. Why I have to write 150? Because it is L. Plus F1, that is F. F0, that is 12. Twice F1. If you will see properly, twice F1. So twice into F1, that is 2F. Twice into F1 minus F0, that is 12, minus F2, that is 8. into height h, that is 10. What I have to put at here as a z? What is given z? 154. So I have to put z 154. So we have to put here z is equal to 154. So you will see the formula for first. Formula z is equal to L plus. So z is 154, that is given. L is 150, that is given. F1. So I have to take F1 as a F minus F0, that is 12. So F minus 12 divided by 2F. Here if you will see that twice F1. So 2 into F minus F0, that is 12, minus F0 minus F2, that is 8. So if you will total it, 2F minus 20 we have to write. It should be shifted here. 154 minus 50. So we have to go here. 154 minus 50, that is 4. Now here F minus 12 divided by twice F minus 20, twice F minus 20 into 10. Now two different way we can say. Either we have to make common 2 at here, or you just multiply 2 and open the bracket, we can do it. So again here 4 in bracket 2f minus 20 is equal to 10 into f, 10f minus 12 into 10, 120. Now if you open this bracket, then 8f minus 80 is equal to 10f minus 120. If you simplify, 8f minus 10f is equal to minus 120 plus 80. So minus 2f is equal to minus 40. Minus 2f is equal to minus 40. Therefore, f is equal to 20. Therefore, f is equal to 20. Again, we discuss because it's an important sum, or we have to discuss proper way. If you write the formula, you will get half marks. If you will put the value related with in a given question or in equation or in formula, you can again get half marks. Calculation, half marks, and answer is half marks. So 3 marks question is, then half of 6 points it should be. First, if you draw this chart, or we can say vertically, class frequency and mark model class F1, F0, F2. So you will get half marks with. You will get formula half marks. Value put up half marks. Calculation you will get half marks. So now, first of all, 154 is equal to 150 plus F1 minus F0, F1 minus F0, that is F minus 12, divided by twice F1 minus F0 minus F2, twice F1. So 2 into F, F1 means F. So 2 into F minus 12 minus 8. 154 minus 150, that is 4. 2f minus plus, that is minus 20. So 2f minus 20. Now if you open the bracket, then 4 in bracket 2f minus 20 is equal to 10 into f, that is 10f, 10 into minus 12, that is minus 120. Now if you will open the bracket, 4 2s are 8, 4 20s are minus 80, 10f minus 120. Now like term, that is f, we have to shift right hand side and constant in left hand side. So my 8f plus 10f shift, we can say minus 10f. So 8f minus 10f, that is minus 2f. Minus 120 plus 80. Minus 120 plus 80, that is minus 40. So 2f is equal to 40. So f is equal to 20. One more sum already I am written it here and try to solve it now. maybe possible you easily know it. Then I will give you 2 to 4 minutes. If you will try it yourself, do it yourself, it is better. Maybe possible within 3 to 4 minutes, someone can easily complete this sum. So first of all, I have rubbed this. When you are watching this type of video, please try to solve the sum online. So one sum first we have completed. Now we go for second sum. It is 2017. In March 2017, this sum is there. So again we have to discuss related with it. First of all, you have to write the formula. If you will put all the value perfect related with the formula, then we can get marks. If you put all value perfect related with the formula. Now z is equal to z is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 divided by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into height h. Now, first of all, what we have to do? 67. Where is 67 is? To find out the model class. To find out the model class, where is 67? So if you will see here it is 67. So here 60 is our L. So we have to make arrow value. Now here wherever model class is there, F1 is there. Preceding, succeeding, preceding, that is F0. Succeeding, we can say F2. So F0, F1 and F2. So all value related with it, that is L we have got it, F1 we have got it, F0 we have got it, F2 we have also got it. Now H. So if you will see properly, difference is 10. So H is also 10. Z is given, that is 67. So if we will put all value together here, we can get answer. So Z is equal to 67. Z is equal to 67. L, that is 60. F1, F1, that is 15. Minus F0, that is X. Upon twice F1. 2 into F1, that is 30. 2 into 15. Minus F0, that is X. Minus, here it is, minus F2, that is 12. And H, that is, and all value if we will put together in the given formula, we can get correct answer. Now, first of all, we have to shift this 67 minus 60, that is 7. Now, 15 minus x upon 15 to the 30, 30 minus 12, that is 18. 15 to the 30, 30 minus 12, that is 18, minus x. And here it is 10. Now we have first of all shift this is equal to 150 minus 10x. Now 18 into 7, 8 7 are 56, 5, 7 1 are 7, 126. 7 8 are 56, 6 85, 7 1 are 7, 126. 126 minus 7x is equal to 150 minus 10x. So what we have to do now? 10x minus 7x is equal to 150 minus 126. So 3x is equal to 24. Therefore, x is equal to 8. unknown frequency X March 2017 sum it is an unknown frequency, that is 8 we have got. So again we have discussed March 2017 sum. Question is in form of horizontal. We have to convert into vertical because mostly mode sum is asked. So it is convert into, first of all we convert into vertical, and then we have to write the frequency. Describe whatever maximum you have described in this. So make a model class first, rectangular table. Make L, that is lower limit. Frequency from the model class, that is F1. Above, that is F0, and below, that is F2. Now what I have to put? First of all, I have to write all the value that is given in question. That we have to first describe in the question. So Z, that is 67, L, that is 60, F1, F0, all the value I put. Then simplify it, you will get answer 8. So two sums related with the unknown frequency that we have completed. Now, some in your text, some questions are both we have to find out mean and mode also. So when two types of sum mix with mode and mean, then you have to do by step deviation method with mean, and for mode you have to write this formula Z is equal to. So I am writing one sum at here, and then you have to try this sum by mean, and we have to find out both, that is mean and mode. 2018 sum. So 10, 20, 20, 30, 30, 40, 40, 50, 50, 60, 60 and 70, and 70 and 80. So here it is a class. 2018 sum is there. 04, 08, 10, 12, again 10, 4, and 2. You have to find out mean, find mean and mode. Find X bar and Z. 2018 sum is there. Find out mode and mean. Already class I am writing. Frequency I have to write. Now what I have to write? Xi and Ui, then Fi Ui, because we have to do it by step deviation method. So when two type of mix sum is there, then we have to again write it here, that is Z is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 twice F1 minus F0 minus F2 into height H. So both sums, 2000 March 18 sum is there, and you have to do it yourself. Already I have explained how you have to do. That way you have to write. Now if related with the mode is there, when we are discussing about the mode, then what we have to always remember, that maximum frequency is the modal class. So here maximum frequency is 12. Maximum frequency is 12. So what I have to write at here? F1, F0, F2, and here L. That is sufficient. And if you put the value related it, Z is equal to L, that is 40, plus F1, that is 12, minus F0, that is 10, divided by twice F1, 12 to the 24, F0, 10 and 10, and height H, that is 10. So Z is equal to 40 10 minus 12 minus 10, that is 2. 24 minus 20, that is 4, into, you will see properly. So we can get answer 20 upon 4, that is 40 plus 5, that is 45. Answer must be between the model class. So Z, now we have to convert this into mean. So first of all, mean 15 I have to write, 25, 35, 45, 55, 65 and 7. I have to count this 12, 10, 10, 20, 30, 30 and 40 and 50. So if you will total 6, 8, 16 and 4, 20, 0, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now UI always remember it. How many classes are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So I have to put it here A. I have to put A. Now here I have to put 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. 1, 2 and 3. Minus 12, minus 16. FIUI means frequency with UI. Minus 10, 0, again 10, again 0.8, again 0.6. So here, if we cancel it, it is plus. Again here it is plus 14. And here it is minus 28. Minus 28 plus 14. That is minus 14. Now what you have to do? You have to try it yourself to get answer. Because already I am explaining everything. Just you have to put the formula related. So I am writing formula. X bar is equal to A plus sigma Fi ui into sigma Fi into height h. So X is equal to A, that is 45, minus 14 upon 50 into h, that is 10. 10 cut. So 45 minus 2.8. So 45 minus 2.8, that is 42.2. If we will total it, we can get 45. So answer is 42.2. That is X bar. X bar is 42.2 and Z is 45. So in board exam, both type of sums they ask. So that is sufficient. Now in next lecture, we have to go through the median, because in mode already we have completed 4 or 5 sum, unknown frequency with frequency. So that is sufficient. Now we go next lecture for median. Thank you.